Ciao Tesla people, I got a notification that I have a software update and it's the 2024.32.3. It's downloading via my access point here on the phone. I'm sharing my 4G network, network. I'm going to do the download and then I will start the installation. We'll do a time lapse, 3 seconds for you. I don't know how it's going to be for me, probably half an hour, because there are several changes and several new features, even though the update mentioned in the 2024.32 some changes, but not all of them. So I'll do, when I'm installed everything, I'll do the list of changes. Okay, I'm going to go to the site. No, wait a second. Where is it? Chrome, and I have this site and all my Tesla app.com, and it shows for each software update the changes. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to wait for the download to finish and start the installation, and that's it. So I'll see you in a bit. So download is done. Let's do the installation from, let me put it here. I have my phone here. Let's do it from the phone. So it will ask me to install 2024.32.3 now. Yes. And it will pop up a window with a countdown, but to accelerate this, you just tap a few times and then it starts. That's it. So the installation started. We'll see how long does it take. For you, it's going to be 2 or 3 seconds. For me, probably half an hour. We'll see. So I'm done with the installation. It took about right half an hour. So I was correct. So let's do check it out the release notes for the changes. So for this release, the 2024.32.3, this is minor fixes, but the previous one is .32. So let's check it out that and see what are changes. I'm going to tell you right now there are more than what they listed here. So I'm going to get the information from the site Not Tesla My app later. So the first change is predictive text for navigation searches. So with this update, your vehicle now suggests search terms. Okay, that's pretty much like you do it like in a site when you search the web. Search this area. Refine the navigation search when you zoom in or drag to a different area of the map by tapping search this area when prompt. Oh, this is interesting. So if you have a navigation, you move it, you can search the area where you move the map to. This is interesting. A mobile app notification for Tyre services. So you are now notified via the mobile app when the Tyre service should be scheduled for your vehicle. Touch the notification to schedule service. Require mobile app version 4.35 or later. Okay, and then it has a security improvements listed. But now let's check what's listed on the site, which is more information. So So let's check out here. So you see, there is a change for exclude home when using hand-free closures, and this is for Model S, Model 3, and Cybertruck. So what it does, along with significant detection improvements to hand-free trunk, you can now select exclude home when enabling hand-free frunk and trunk to disable this feature and set home location. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. I have a Model Y, so it doesn't belong to me, this change, unfortunately. Now, exclude home when using automatic and hand-free closure. Okay, so along with significant detection improvement to hand-free trunk, it's the same as before. Oh, it's available in Italy, but only for Model X. Okay. hands-free Frunk, but this is available everywhere and is for Model S, 3X, and Cybertruck, and requires ultra wideband for you on your phone and your hardware. So open your Frunk even when your hands are full. So again, this is Frunk, okay? So you can open the Frunk, stand still in front of your Frunk with a phone key, unobstructed, listen to the chime, and the Frunk will open on its own. To enable this feature, go to Settings, Locks, Hand-Free, Frunk. Okay, you should go to Locks, and here there should be an option, of course. Okay. Yeah, so I don't have it. Okay, requires a phone, iPhone 11 Plus and Tesla App 431. A future update will expand this to Android users. Oh, okay, finally. Oh, this is interesting, and it was not listed. Sentry Mode Light Pulsing. So this for Model S and Model X, and available worldwide. Sentry Mode softly pulse the headlights when a threat is detected to indicate an active Sentry recording event. Okay, good. Construction on your route is not available in Italy, but is available for Model S, 3, X, and Y. So this, of course, this probably depends from the navigation data. And navigation now show relevant construction zone along your route. To see this information, you must have navigation online routing turned on, requires premium connectivity. So if I go to navigation, where is the navigation? Here, and yeah, I don't have this option yet. Okay. Predictive text for navigation searches. Okay, we done that. Basically, when you type in the navigation search bar, you get a predictive text, which is pretty cool. The search this area, we done this. Oh, okay, and this one available worldwide for S, X, Y, and 3. And the search area is available worldwide S, 3, X, and Y. And then this mobile app notification for Tyre service, we done that. So you basically receive a notification when the Tyre service requirement is requested, and security improvements. Okay, bug fixes, and then cancel lane change in Autopilot is available worldwide for S, 3, X, and Y. When using Autopilot in the expanded visualization view, you'll now be able to dismiss a lane change. The display will now show you the same lane change alert that is available when you are not in full screen. Okay, expanded visualization available in North America with AMD Ryzen Power Infotainment Unit MCU3. Okay, and that's it. So these are all the changes. As you notice, not all the changes are listed in the release notes. You see, it has 4, but were probably 6 or 7, something like that. That's usually the case. They don't list always all the changes, and you know, you have to figure out from sites that investigate this stuff. Anyway, this is all the things that I wanted to do this. The Tesla update 2024.32.3 when everything went well. 6 or 7 changes and new features. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel to know notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.